What's going on, my peeps? Boy Versatile is quickly back with another video, back talking about the Pixel 4 XL and this beautiful case I finally got from none other than Lou from Unbox Therapy, the Latercase, a case I've been looking forward to, and not because of necessarily all this unnecessary, unwarranted drama that has occurred around this case, but it's because I've never tried this type of case out before. But he was convincing enough for me to try, and I also like supporting creators. So for a creator to step out of the normal boundaries and actually go to the lengths of developing their own case, it's so fitting for the tech community. So I'm definitely down with it. It's actually kind of funny. My case arrived the same day he dropped this 31-minute video on Unbox Therapy talking about his microfiber cloth included Latercase. Nice simplistic design. How much it costs to tool different phones for the cases, and the lengths he went through to really make this a business. And so for me, I find that super dope, because we gotta start giving people a chance and give them the benefit of the doubt when they try to do dope stuff, and not try to tear everything down as soon as we hear about it, or because it seems like it's a fun thing to do. Like, we gotta stop that. And so, like, his innovation with a case like this intrigued me to try it. If I ever figure out how to open it, there we go. It's nice, simplistic. Ooh, okay. So, of course, you guys gonna get B-roll of this, but it's very nice and simple. Kevlar, micro, carbon fiber, very strong. One of the things he wanted to emphasize with this case was the ability to take it off and put it on. And I think that's something I'm probably gonna do with this case quite often. Is take it off and put it on when it's necessary. The cutouts is the reason why I never actually valued cases like this before. I didn't find them attractive with the cutout on the top and this cutout on the bottom. I just always felt like the case was incomplete. But with what he talked about and described in terms of this case and wanting to support him, I was like, why not give it a chance? I rock my phone bare naked, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, why not try this case out, put it on it, see how it goes. So that's what we're about to do with the Pixel 4 XL. Snaps on with ease. It feels amazing, I'm not even gonna lie. The cutout is precise. You get your buttons are free. It doesn't get in the way. You still got your, I mean, it's almost near flesh with how it's on the case. So like, and it feels good. Like, it feels real nice. So yo, Lou, success on this case, because you instantly kind of just won me over with how just clean putting it on was, and then how clean it should be to take it off. But yeah, there you go. So he said to try to peel it off from the corner, and the rest should follow suit. So that's what I am trying to do here, and it seems to be working out here. There we go. So I just peel it off from one side. You can take it right out, no problem. So Lou, dope case. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this case. I'm about to go out the house here, it's probably here soon, so I'm definitely gonna have it on here. It kind of gives my phone some added protection, no problems there, and I like it. So Lou, keep up the good work, man. Dope case. I'ma rock it. This is probably the only type I rock like this, because I like a full case. Now, if you make one of those Kadabi style cases, like their Veil XT cases, it's like very light, and it's like a silhouette over the phone. If you make one of them cases, your boy will be interested. But your boy Versatile is signing out, and until the next video, woo, wait for